what we were discussed, we were introduced the basic information about the engineering analysis, and slowly we were started our numerical methods, and we were introduced the matrix, basic information about the matrix calculation, matrix operations, and then getting solution for simultaneous linear system of equation through Gauss elimination, Gauss Jordan method. And in the last class, we were requested to get the solution for this case study 1 and case study 2. May I know the answer for case study 1?
129.7.
A1 is equal to
129.7. Sorry,
120.
A1. Sir, A1 equal to 0.289.
We'll begin with A1, A2, A3, and then we'll check the velocity at t is equal to 6 seconds. What was A1?
0.289.
0.289. Okay. A2?
19.690.
A2?
19.690.
19.690. And what was
Yes, sir.
A3?
1.085. Yes, sir. 1.085.
Okay, good. Then now the velocity at t is equal to 6. What was the velocity? V t is equal to 6.
129.7.
Okay, 120.9 meter per second, isn't it? Any
Yes,
other
sir.
different answer? Any other answers? Any other answers? Siddharthan?
So no, sir, the same thing, but I didn't only up to fractions. I didn't convert to decimal.
Okay, that won't be an issue. That won't be an issue. But my concern is you always please have a digits accuracy with 3 digits. Once it was less than 1, you try to increase with 5. Then through that we can get uniform results. In calculator there is an option called fix. Norm and fix. In that you try to fix with 3 digit accuracy. Once the results are greater than 1, then let it be 3. If it is less than 1, then you can change your that fix number of digits into 5, so that the all 34 can get uniform results. There won't be any issue with the digits. Anyway, Siddharth and Anshu, you take a photograph of your solution and please upload in our group. Once the class is over, you please upload the answers, so that those who are not tried, they can copy down with their notebooks. And anyone solved case study 2? Case study 2. Example 6, case study 2. No one, if no one, I'll disseminate once the class is over. I'll try to I'll give some keys to solve these case study 2. Okay, we'll start today's class, that is LU decomposition. In the last class itself, we were started to disseminate the content related to the LU decompositions. LU decomposition is nothing but the rectangular matrix can be divided into 2 with lower triangular matrix and upper triangular matrix with some basic ideology and with some norms. That is, LU decomposition of a matrix A is the product of lower triangular matrix and an upper triangular matrix that is equal to the given matrix A. Here we are concerned about knowing the unknowns, the x1, x2, x3. But what we are trying to do, we are trying to discretize or divide the given rectangular matrix, square matrix into lower triangular matrix and upper triangular matrix. and see, you can start writing, copy down, you start copy down these contents, example 7, and we need to find the results of this coefficients, that is 1 to 4, 3 8 14 and 2 6 13 is our given matrix A, and I'll tell you the RHS right hand side. I'll tell you once during getting solutions, I'll tell you the RHS. Anyway, we'll begin with this given A. What we are trying to do, we are trying to reduce this A into two different matrices. One is lower triangular matrix. See, very importantly, the lower triangular matrix, the main diagonal. See, the main diagonals are all equal. The terms in main diagonal are all equal to 1, and here L21, which comprises, which denotes the addresses, that is row and column, to the second row and first column. Similarly, third row, first column, third row, second column. Once when someone tries to deliver this content, it won't be an issue. When you are starting without referring any textbook or notebook, once we are trying to solve these mathematical procedures, at that time you face difficulties, because this is a problematic subject. You need plenty of practice. What was the mistakes can be done during getting the solution during this LU decomposition is, you will start with this L11 usually. That may happen. L11 here, L21, L22, and L31, L32, L33. Like that, you may. But that won't be a task. Here, what we need to do, the main diagonal of the lower triangular matrix should be 1, and the terms in the lower triangulars should be kept with the address. And the upper triangular matrix, see, this is what the upper triangular matrix, and we need to start the upper triangular matrix with the main diagonal. See, U11, the lower triangular matrix is 0. See here, this has to be keep 1, and here we were started from this point. This has to be maintained as 0. U11, U12, U13, U22, U33, U33. Okay. Yes. Now what we have to do, we need to multiply these two equations, and yes, someone, you please tell me how we can do matrix multiplications with the easier way. How we can do matrix multiplication. So someone, you please unmute your mic and tell me. Nabil.
So we can multiply corresponding rows and columns, sir.
Yes, you tell me how we can get the solutions. Corresponding
row and column, sir.
Okay. Then
Like first one will be like U11, sir.
U11, good. Then okay.
Second term will be U12.
Second term will be U12. Okay.
Third term will be U13, sir.
Okay, good. But I'll tell you one thing, that you please try to write down this term at the top of the first matrix. The second row matrix column, first column should be written at the top, and then do the multiplication, complete the multiplication of all the rows, and then you try to do with the second column. And that would be easy for getting the solution. This won't create any mistakes during solution. See, you try to write the first column at the top of the first matrix. See here, this is what the lower triangular matrix should be, the first matrix. And what I am trying to do, I am trying to write the first column at the top of this matrix, and then do the multiplication of each respective terms. Now 1 into U11, that is U11. Then here L21 into 1, isn't it? L21 into U1 plus 1 into 0, that becomes 0. And then and then wait. And then U11 L31 into U11 plus L32 into 0, that becomes 0. This is what the first column, the resultant matrix first column. This is what the resultant matrix first column. What during your school days, what you did, you remembered with the aid of 7, and then you made a multiplication. That will at some time that will make mistakes. We are doing the same procedure but different approach. What I am trying to do, I am trying to write the second row column at the top of the first row, and then I am completing the all the terms, respective terms, and then I am trying to approach the second column. Now I am approaching the second column. See U11 and U22, and now do the multiplication. See here U12 into 1, that becomes U12, and then plus U22 into 0, that becomes 0. What we need to do, we need to do summation. L21, then the second term would be L21 into U12 plus U22, then 0 into 0. Then the third term L31 into U12, L32 into U22 plus 0. This is what our second column, and then now do the multiplication with the third column. Write the elements of the third column with the top of the first matrix. U13, U3, U33. Now U13, and then L21, U13 plus U23, L31, U13 plus L32, U23 plus U33. This is what our third column. And now we can get our LU. This is what our LU is equal to. We are trying to accumulate all these results. This is what the results. And then now what we are trying to do, we are trying to make what we assumed earlier, that is A is equal to LU. And now I am going to apply the value to the above resultant, that is LU. This is what the coefficients of one simultaneous linear system of equation, that is 1, 2, 4, 3, 8, 14, and 2, 6, and 13. Yes, see, and now what I am trying to do, when the matrix are equal, then the elements is also equal, and so that U11 is equal to 1, U12 is equal to 2, U13 is equal to 4. This is what, by equating the first row, will get various U's. Similarly, L21 into U11 is equal to 3, and this is what 3, and here I am applying the value of U11, therefore I am getting L21 is equal to 3. Similarly, now L21 U12 plus U22 is equal to 8, and now I am applying the value of L21. L21 is equal to 3, and U12 we already derived as 2, therefore this becomes 6, and so that the U22 is equal to 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Similarly, the third term, this was the third term, that is L21 plus U13 plus U23 is equal to 14. We were already derived the values of L21, and I am applying the value of L21, that is 3 into U13 is equal to 4. Therefore, this becomes 12. 14 minus 12, therefore U23 is equal to 2. We were we are concerned about the, now we are concerned about the third row. We were already completed, equated the second row terms. Now we can equate the third row terms, that is L31 into U11 is equal to 2 and U11 is 1, so that L31 is equal to 2 and L31, the second term, L31, I think parallelly you are copying down, and now the second term is L31 U12 and plus U32 L32 U22 is equal to here 6. So I am applying the value of L31, that is 2. Yeah, U12, that is also 2. Here U22, we got the values of U2 in the by equating the second row terms. So that U22 is equal to 2. Here 4 and 6 minus 4 becomes 2. By dividing this 2, we will get L32 is equal to 1. And now the last term, that is L31 U13 plus L32 U23 plus U33 is equal to 13. I am applying the values of various L and U. L31 is equal to 2. Here I am applying the values. Okay, U13 is equal to 4. That is what here we applied 4, and L32 is equal to 1. Here I am applying the value of L32, and then U23 is equal to 2. Therefore this is what 2, and therefore this becomes 8 and this becomes 2. Therefore 10 U33 is equal to 3. What we did, we were divided the A into two different matrices, and there are many unknowns in lower triangular matrix and upper triangular matrix. By equating A and lower triangular and upper triangular matrix, we were calculated various unknown in terms of U and L. So that this is what the various U and L. Yeah, L second row, first column, L21 and C, and here L31, L32, L33. Sorry, this is what already 1, and now we were applied these terms, that is 3 to 1, and we were applied various upper boundary values 1, 2, 4, 2, 2, 3. Someone you please unmute and tell me whether these values are right or wrong. And Sai Ranga, Nimala Sai Ranga, Nimala Sai Ranga. Sai Ranga, Nishant.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, this is Nishant or Sai Ranga?
Nishant, sir.
Nishant, you please verify these various upper triangle matrix terms, Nishant. Whether U11 is equal to 1. Have we copied down these things?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now tell me whether U11 is equal to 1.
Yes, sir.
Yes. What was our U12?
2, sir.
U12. Huh?
2.
Don't see the matrix and don't tell. Tell the above yes, these calculations and tell me. And what is our U13?
4.
Okay, U22.
U22. 2, sir.
U23.
2, sir.
Okay, U33.
3, sir.
L31.
L 2, sir.
L32.
6, sir.
6. No.
Sir, L
Please check.
1, sir. 1.
Okay, L.
L. Yes, sir.
Sorry, L23.
0.
L23. Sorry, L21.
3, sir.
Okay, then there won't be any issue with these applications, right? This is what the results we derived by solving two different matrices. By getting the solution of equal matrix, we are getting various values of upper triangular and lower triangular matrix. So, see, this is what we did here. We are concerned about various unknowns, that is x1, y1, sorry, x1, x2, x3. But here the matrix A is divided into lower and upper triangle matrix, and here see instead of A we are applying LU, x is equal to B. So let y is equal to u into x. Instead of ux, I am going to apply a value of y. So now this L into y is equal to B. So here solve this triangular system for y. Finally, the solution of triangular system would be ux is equal to y. For now to find x, we need to depend instead of getting the solution in a direct way. What we are trying to do, with the aid of some other unknown, let it be y. Through y, we are trying to find the values of x. This is what we are doing. And I'll tell you, once the so problem is over, you'll get clear understanding about these phenomena, and will once the one problem is solved, then we will get the solution. Wait just a minute. This is what the earlier problem, that is 1 to 14, 3, 8, 3, 8, 14, 1 to 4, 3, 8, 14, 2, 6, 13. And we were disseminated, we were divided into L into lower and upper triangular matrix. This is what the results from the example example 7. In the example 7, what we did, we were divided into two different matrices, and now I am concerned about finding the results of this linear system of equations. Now the RHS is 3, 13, and 4. Now see, now my L into y, this is what my lower triangular matrix. What I am trying to do, I am going to find the values of y instead of x. I am going to find an intermediate solution, that is called y. Here L into y is equal to b, and now I am trying to multiply these two equations, and so that y1 is equal to 3, y2 3y1 plus y2 is equal to 13. I am applying the value of 3 here, therefore the 3 is 9. 13 minus 9 becomes 4, therefore my y2 is equal to 4, and 2y1 plus y2 plus y3 is equal to 4. I am applying the value of y1 and y2, so this becomes 6 and this becomes 4, therefore summation is 10, and 4 minus 10 becomes minus 6. Now I found the values of the intermittent unknown, that is y1, y2, y3. Now I know the values of y, so that, see here, now what was the earlier assumption, that is ux is equal to y. So my upper triangular matrix and my unknown, that is x1, x2, x3, here I am equating this ux into y. So therefore I am here, I am trying to get the solution from the bottom. See, my 3x3 is equal to minus 6, therefore my x3 is equal to minus 2, and then 2x2 plus x3 is equal to 4. I am applying the value of x3, that is minus 2. I'll get here minus 4. Therefore, this minus 4 by adding with RHS that becomes 8. Therefore, my x2 is equal to 4. Similarly, I can get the solution for my x1. So my x1 plus 2x2 plus 3x4 is equal to 3. I am applying the value of this x3 and x2. This becomes 4 2. 4 2s are 8 minus 8, and here 8, and therefore this becomes 0. Therefore my x1 is equal to 3. And what we did here, just a minute, I'll refresh what I did with LU decomposition. What I am trying to do now we are concerned about finding the results of X. Let A is equal to lower and upper triangular matrix. Instead of getting the solution in a direct way, we are depending some other unknowns called, let it be Y, and now I am applying the value of A in this initial equation, that is LUX is equal to B. Now my UX, let my UX is equal to Y. Now what I am trying to do with the aid of the upper triangular matrix, I can find the various results with the upper and lower triangular matrix. By here the Y is equal to UX, so I can get the various values of Y. Once my Y is known, then what I can do, I can apply this Y into here. So my L into Y is equal to B, so that I can find my results. By getting the various values of Y, once the Y is known, then I can apply with these Y values into this, and I can get the solution. So this is what getting solutions with the aid of lower and upper triangular matrix. So whether it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. You can anyone you please unmute your mic and tell me the procedure again. I'll try to write what we did. A into someone.
And
A, let AX is equal to B. Okay. Okay. What we did?
A equal to LU.
A is equal to L into U. Okay. Okay. I am applying the value of AU is here in this equation. Okay. L U into X is equal to B. Okay. Let this can be Y is equal to B. Once the Y is known, what we can do? U X is equal to Y. This can be gives the results of various X. Now here the assumption is let Y is equal to U into X. Okay. See, by viewing you can be this can be very easy, but during getting solution, during solving only you can get the difficulties. So okay, this is what the results of example 8, and now we'll try to solve example 9. You please copy down these linear system of equation. X1 plus 6x2 plus 2x3 is equal to 9. 2x1 plus 12x2 plus 5x3 is equal to minus 4. Minus x1 minus 3x2 minus x3 is equal to 17. Have you copied down?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, is there any condition of a matrix that we can say we can decompose it into LU by using LU?
Yes, few conditions are there. I'll tell you. Once these you are very familiar with the mathematical procedure, I'll tell you the conditions.
So like in example 9, the first two question are saying that reudal the laws, and so that this is not an LU decomposition. How we can say that?
Yes, yes. I'll tell you. I'll tell you. I'll tell you. You copy down. I'll tell you. I think you have copy down.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Good. Okay, we'll discuss the current affairs and we'll see what was the hidden agenda with the LUD composition. So, yes, you tell me what was the headlines and what was the answer for the past questions. I have asked one particular question, like what was the color of the beer? And there is a beer at the end of the hill. The height of the hill is 20 meters, and this was the first data. And my second data is it took 2 seconds to reach the end earth. Then what was the color of the beer? That was the question. And anyone tried and anyone found the results?
Uh, yes, sir. Like for this beer one, the color of the bear might be white, sir.
How? Oh.
So,
How for me?
how like because the gravity on like the maximum value of gravity on Earth and like it occurs at the poles, no, so in the sun, like on North Pole, we'll be having this polar bears, no, so it's like white in color. So when the bear falls from that height, it should be certainly be a polar bear. So it would be in white in color, sir.
How you found that it should be a polar bear? In what with these two datas, how you found the results?
So we have this height, like we are having a height 20 meters, no, sir, and this 2 seconds we are having like the time is 2 seconds.
Okay. Okay. One is 2t and we have yes.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
there are three different equations. The first equation v is equal to u plus at. The second equation v square minus u square is equal to
So
2as.
we just
In the first equation we don't have s. In the second equation we don't have t. And the third equation is s is equal to ut plus of at square. So that is the right equation for applying these two datas. And instead a here the travel
we are
took in
taking
vertical
as
directions.
gravity.
So it can be g, that is gravity. Instead acceleration we can convert into gravity. So s is equal to ut. That ut initial velocity is 0, that becomes 0. So therefore s is equal to ut 0 of at square. Instead at I am applying gt square. So here 20 is equal to 1 by 2 into g. G is the unknown. We are trying to find the value of g.
Into
Here 2
4.
2 square. Therefore, this becomes 2. Dividing this 2 into 2, that becomes 2g. 2g is equal to 20. Therefore, g is equal to
10, sir.
g is equal to 10. Usually, g is equal to 9.81. When it was greater than 9, that is not exactly 10. The greater gravity is in the polar stations, so it should be a polar bear. So the answer is white. It is a gate question, one among the gate question. This is what gate question. And okay, good, fine for me. And what was the result? What was the headlines today?
So the headlines is about Covaxin plus Covishield gives it gives more protection, like a better protection than having it in single doses.
Okay, mixing gives better protection, says ICMR, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes, and yes, in India India became very good positions when compared to past, and India has how many?
It has
7
got
minutes.
total 7.
7 minutes.
Yes, someone. Yes, very good,
Because
very
broke
good
the-
for me and Pranav and Siddharthan. Someone please unmute your mic and tell me. Yes, these gentlemen and gentlemen are already active. They are giving their active presentation. So, someone. Sai Teja. Sai Teja. Sai Teja. Yes, Sai Teja. Who got gold medal in Olympics from India?
Neeraj Chopra in javelin throw.
Very good, very good. What was the distance covered during this javelin? 8?
87.4.
87 point? Yes, I think there is an issue with
Sir, 87 point.
something. Okay, good, fine. We'll request number 80 to Pranav. Pranav Sai.
Yes, sir. What happened?
Yes. Tell me, Pranav, what was the position of India in the final medals tally?
I think 48 or something. Sir. I'm not sure. Somewhere in like
Yes,
late,
it was 40.
beyond
It
40.
was 40.
Okay.
Good, it was 48. Okay. What happened at the end? What happened? How the closing ceremony happened in Monday? Any information regarding the closing ceremony? A 23-year-old boy, isn't it? Neeraj. Okay. Sanjay Krishna. Yes, anything you want to say, Sanjay?
Other than that, he's a military guy, so he got through a military special request or something like that. I haven't studied his whole biography now. I just got recently.
Yes, there is interruption. I think there is interruption. We didn't get your point, Sanjay. Yes. Tell me, pardon, once again.
He's a he started his military career around 20, sir. Then he joined through some military game training, or I don't know exactly, sir. So that's what I didn't get his whole biography and also. He said it in an interview. I forgot it.
Okay, fine. Anyway, India got 7 medals when compared to past. It is fine. It is good. still many more has to go when compared to USA, China, and Japan, and they were in 113, 88, and 58, and so still we need to walk more, or we need to run more, or we need to fly more now to attain a very good rank in the Olympics. Okay, that was the current affair. You please try to solve this equations once you you yourselves Google it and find the condition for LU decompositions and how we can get the results. Usually, it should be diagonally dominant. How we can convert this into diagonally dominant once the terms in all the columns is negative, how it can be converted into diagonal dominant. So there won't be a constraint for getting the solution, and that won't be the conditions. So try to find the condition and try to solve it. Okay, this is for your practice. And now this is what the tri-diagonal systems. And see, we were known about the diagonal band. See, this is what the diagonal, right? This is what the main diagonal. Now along with we were going to revisit about the upper diagonal and the lower diagonal. Usually it is called as in super diagonal and sub diagonal. So therefore this should be called as in main diagonal. So the band matrix is a spare matrix whose non-zero entities or entries are confined to a diagonal band comprising the main diagonal and 0 or more diagonals on either sides. We have 2 more diagonals, and this diagonal is usually called as in super diagonal, and this diagonal is usually called as in sub diagonal. And see here, the number of super diagonal is 2, and here the number of sub diagonal should be 3, isn't it? See here, two. We have 2 more diagonals above the main diagonals. For this is super diagonal, and this is what the sub diagonal. And see here, what is a tri-diagonal matrix? Yeah, tri-diagonal matrix is a band matrix, and that has non-zero elements only on the main diagonal. See here, only on the main diagonal, the first diagonal, that is below this, and the first diagonal above the main diagonal. See, this is what the non-zero terms, and the matrix which has non-zero terms in the main diagonal and super diagonal and sub diagonal, and that too which has the number of super diagonal and number of sub diagonal is equal to 1, then that type of matrix is called as a tri-diagonal matrix. And see, this tri-diagonal matrix sometimes referred as the tri-diagonal matrix algorithm, that is Thomas algorithm, which is essentially the results of applying Gaussian elimination to the tri-diagonal system of equations. So please remember these terminologies with the tri-diagonal system, that is either Thomson algorithm or it should be called as an TDMA, that is tri-diagonal matrix algorithm. This was the things which we were disseminated through a pictorial representation. Here we were designated here D, and here upper diagonal matrix and lower diagonal matrix. So instead upper we were used U and lower L, and here also we are concerned about finding the results of various unknowns in the linear system of equations. So, and what we are trying to do, this I'll explain once the problem is over. I'll tell you what was there in the Thomas algorithm. And see, this is what your example 10, solve the following tri-diagonal system with the Thomas algorithm. And you please copy down this problem. We will solve this problem in the subsequent class. You please copy down this example 10. solve the following tridiagonal system with the Thomas algorithm. And the questions are 2.04 minus 1 and 1 minus 1, 2.04 minus 1 and minus 1, 2.04 minus 1, minus 1, 2.04 on RHS, that is 40.8, 0.8, 0.8, 200.8. Yes, have you copied down?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, we'll request these 5 people to share the screen. That is from Nabil. Nabil, you go ahead. Already 11:22.
Sir,
Yes.
can you stop the recording? Like, I mean, the class is done, right?
Yes, you let it be. Let it be. Pranav. Yes, Nabil. Nabil. Yes, Nabil.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir. I am
Very
Nabil
good morning.
from Chennai, Tamil Nadu.
Very good.
My father is self-employed and my mother is homemaker.
Very good. Where you did your schooling?
I did my schooling in Chennai, sir. Chennai Public School.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Thank you, Nabil.
Thank you, sir.
And Shai Ranga. Nimal Shai Ranga. Nimal Shai Ranga. Okay. Nishant. Nishant.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
Nishant.
I'm Nishant from Ariyalur. I studied my schooling at I done my schooling at Trichy, and my father is a businessman and my mother is homemaker.
Very good. Very good, Nishant. And Sai Teja.
Yes, sir. Sir, myself, Pendram Sai Teja. Telangana, sir.
Yes, you share your screens. Yes. If you keep your mobile far away from you. Still.
Sir,
Still.
I was currently facing some.
Fine. Yes, go ahead. What is your father and mother? Sai Teja.
Agriculture and politicians.
Anandram Sai Teja.
Pendram Sai Teja.
There is an issue with your mic. Okay, fine, Taj. Sai Teja. Good. And 20. Pranav Sai.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir. I'm Pranav. I live in Chennai. My mother works as a program manager in Capgemini. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Very good. Very good. Fine. Okay. I think all 5 are introduced about themselves. And wait just a minute. And I'll upload these contents in YouTube. And you you don't know, no need to download these contents. I'll take care about it. Once I have uploaded in YouTube, I'll share the link. And I'll do uploading of all the contents. You don't worry about it. And concerning the attendance. And this is what my usual procedure and see here yes, this is what the attendance for the first week. And Ismath, see I'll in a daily basis I'll put the attendance, and you please try to keep the attendance above 75. Okay, Ismath is with us.
He belongs to B section, sir. Sushma?
B.
Yes, sir.
Sushma, whether Ismath joined today?
No, sir, I guess he didn't join.
Okay. No issues. Okay, you please you try to conscious with the attendance.
Okay, sir.
Okay, tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow we'll meet during 11:30. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.